Hi guys, welcome to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange and I love keeping myself busy. For today's clay tutorial, I wanted to show you a very popular technique on Instagram, the draping technique. For this tutorial, you will need your clay roller, some custom pastel colors, and a clay cutter. I will post a link above so that you can see how I custom blended my colors. The first thing that I'm rolling out is my main slab. I normally use the number 3 setting when I roll out my slab, but because I'm putting more clay on top of this, I just rolled out my slab into the number 4 setting. Next, I got my custom pastel colors and slowly rolled out each color until I get to the number 8 setting. Remember to do this very slowly because as the clay starts getting thinner, there is a possibility of the clay ripping. For this design, I placed the lightest color first and draped it on the main slab. I don't know exactly how you explain it in clay terms, but when you're working with cloth, this is like putting pleats. So basically, you're randomly and very carefully folding the clay onto the slab. I know many other clay experts have their different ways of doing this, but what works for me is rolling out the clay very thinly that it actually looks like crinkled bacon. When you're folding it into the slab, do not press it too much so that it doesn't lose the draped effect. As you can see, I started with the lightest color and then went up using darker hues. When the clay slab is fully covered, neaten out the edges. Then, use the clay cutters and bake the clay following the instructions on the packaging. I actually paired this with a plain circular stud so that it doesn't look too busy. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope that you learned something new. If you have other requests on what clay technique you'd like to learn, do comment below. If you haven't yet, consider liking and subscribing to this channel. And if you want to know what I've been busy with, follow me on my Instagram account at crafttime.ph. Thanks and bye!